I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to unlink a bank account from Apple Pay, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Wallet app. Launch the Wallet app on your iPhone. This is where all your payment methods are stored. Step 2. Select your Apple Pay card. Find and tap on the card link to the bank account you want to unlink. This will bring up the card details. Step 3. Access card settings. Tap on the 3 dots or the eye icon in the upper right corner to access the card settings. This is where you can manage your payment options. Step 4. Remove the bank account. Scroll down to find the option that says Remove Bank Account or Remove Payment Method. Confirm your choice to unlink the account. Note, if you have any pending transactions, you may need to wait until they are completed before you can unlink the account. Step 5. Verify the change. Once you've removed the bank account, double-check that it no longer appears in your payment methods. You can do this by going back to the Wallet app and checking your cards. That is it. You've successfully unlinked your bank account for Apple Pay. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to ask.